हेलो क्लास। आज हम देखेंगे ट्रेपेजॉइडल सेक्शन। सो ट्रेपेजॉइडल सेक्शन में मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकल सेक्शन देखने के लिए दो केस होते हैं। पहला जिसमें साइड स्लोप्स फिक्स्ड होती है एंड सेकंड वन इज साइड स्लोप वेरी करती है। ठीक है, तो पहला केस है स्लोप इज कांस्टेंट। सो हियर कंसीडर अ चैनल, consider channel section for bottom width d, depth of flow y, this is depth of flow y, and side slope 1:10, that means 1 vertical to m horizontal. So here by vertical, so m by horizontal. So there are three variables y, b, n, but m is fixed, so the number of variables left out are two, y and b. So here area a is area a is first area of this rectangular section b into y plus area of these two triangular section half m into y into 2. So this sum of we sum of this. So here is the area and this is the top width b plus 2 by, this is the top width, and the perimeter is this side slope which is equal to root of y square plus m square y square into 2. So here this is side slope and plus d, this is perimeter. So there is m y square, so इसको रूट से बाहर निकालेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 2y रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस m स्क्वायर प्लस एरिया इज b plus m by into y from here area a. So here a equals to by plus m by square. So a by y equals to b plus m by. So here we put b equals to a by y minus m by. So here is b in terms of y. So put it here b in terms of y. Now there is two variable b and y. So b in terms of y we put here. So this equation in terms of one variable, so we differentiate t with respect to y, it will give maxima or minima. So t equals to 2y root of 1 plus m square plus a by y minus m by. So we differentiate this. So here y, this term with respect to y, so it will give 2 root of 1 plus m square plus a by y divided by minus 1. So here minus 1 divided by y square minus m, which is equals to 0. So a by y square plus m equals to 2 root of 1 plus m square. That means here this value is equals to this value. Now put multiplying by equation y. So a by y plus m by equals to 2y root of 1 plus y square. So here this term is a by y equals to b plus m by. So b plus here, this will be here b equals to a by y minus m by. So m by is here, so a by y equals to b plus m by. We put here, so b plus m by, so b plus 2 m by equals to 2y root of 1 plus t square, and b plus 2 m by for trapezoidal section is known as the top width. This is top width. So here top width is equals to 2y root of 1 plus m square. That means t by 2 equals to side slope. Here is one condition. Y root of 1 plus m square is side slope. Now hydraulic radius, hydraulic mean depth. This is first condition. Hydraulic mean depth, area upon weighted perimeter. So area is b plus m by into y divided by b plus 2y root of 1 plus divided perimeter. So this is equals to t tau bit, and this tau bit is equals to b plus 2 my. So here b plus 2 my. Now 2b plus my. So b plus my is cut. Now Hadley depth is equals to depth of flow by 2. There is another condition. So now we see here this tau bit is equals to the side slope, and the hurdle mean depth is equals to y by 2. So here we take sin theta, which is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So OP here is the perpendicular, which is equals to x AR by AC. So here x, and this is by R T by 2, which is hypotenuse. So here x equals to y. This is y. From triangle we can see here, from triangle this is A, this is O, this is P. From AOP here is the perpendicular, that means this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is OA or AC, which is all equal because T by 2 equals to side slope. So here is x by T by 2, and from this triangle ACR, so here triangle ACR, so which is equals to y by side slope. This is ACR. So here this is y, this is hypotenuse. So here perpendicular. So we put sin theta equals to y by hypotenuse is side slope. So y by s side slope is same. So x equals to y. This is another one relationship. So we can say for efficient trapezoidal channel section, a circle of radius y shall be inscribed in the trapezoidal section, inscribed by the trapezoidal section. For the economical trapezoidal channel section having depth of flow equal to y and fixed side slope 1:n. All the above three conditions should be satisfied for the economical trapezoidal section. That means first condition is t by 2 equals to side slope. Second one is hydraulic mean depth or hydraulic radius is equals to y by 2, and third condition is x equals to y. Now when slope is varied, that means now variable is 3, that means width d, flow of y, flow depth y, and varying side slope, and there is 3 variations. So we put here in one term. So a by y square minus m plus 2 root of 1 plus m square from first derivation. So here this is perimeter measured with respect to y. So it will give this equation. So here area equals to y square. Here is the perimeter. This perimeter equation in terms of a, we put a value, b value. So here this is perimeter, and this perimeter is differentiated with respect to y. So it will give a value area. So we put area here. So here is the area. So b plus 2y root of 1 plus m square. Here b equals to a by y minus m by a value here, so it will give 2 4y root of 1 plus m square minus 2my. Now m is variable, so we differentiate with respect to m, so it will give the relation between m is root of 3, that means theta equals to 60 degree. So here from the third relation, here is the differentiation with respect to m, and inputted value is equals to 0. So here y terms is 0, y terms is 0 is then goes to that side. So here m value is, we calculate m value, which is equals to theta root 3 1 by root 3 m value in tan theta is 1 by m, so theta equals to 60 degree. Here is the fourth condition, when the side slope is varied for economical trapezoidal section with varying side slope, the value of side slope should be 1 ratio 3, 1 ratio root 3, that means theta equals to 60 degree. Now next one is most efficient, most economical triangular section, where varying side slope 1 ratio n here. So here depth of flow and is, the variable is depth of flow and sides, varying side slope. So top width is equals to 2m by area equals to m by square is two section of triangular, so half m by into y plus half m by into y, so it will give m by square. And weighted perimeter is two side slopes, so 2y root of 1 plus m square. Here we put y value in terms of area, so it will give in terms of m, so we differentiate with respect to m, so dp by dm is equals to 0. Now we differentiating these terms. Now m value, it will give m value which is equals to plus minus 1, that means tan theta is equals to 45 degree, 45 degree. And the Hadley mean depth is area upon perimeter m by square p root 2y root of m 1 plus m square. So put the m by value and put the m equals to 1. So Hadley mean depth is equals to y by 2 root 2. So y by 2 root 2. This is the condition for the most economical triangular section for side slope is varying, which is equals to m equals to 1. Thank you.